Good afternoon, and welcome back with a new video. Today we're going to discuss Bitcoin again, as always. First looking at the technicals, whereafter we're going to look at the fundamental stuff, looking at derivatives, ETF in and outflow, and especially long-term and short-term holding behavior, which is essential looking at the key levels that we are in at this moment. So without further ado, let's get into it. When we look at the monthly chart, it looks bearish, of course, as you can see here. After price has taken out the buy side liquidity and created that beautiful all-time high in October 2025, we have shifted downwards, created this imbalance, and as you can see here, clearly taps it, liquidity grab, pushes down. This major level has been broken. We tried to find new liquidity, we found that here, and now at this moment we are at the key level of $60,000. As you can see here, a lot of liquidity has been transacted here. If we look at it from a volume profile perspective, then you can see that here are not that many orders. Here are the most orders. If we push it from here, yeah, you can see that the POC is right here. So a lot of volume has been transacted here, which is a sign that here it's going to slow down. We have this major bullish imbalance that holds the whole bullish structure from 2023 onwards to 2025. As you can see here as well, these pivotal points are the equivalent of this in the last bull run. At this moment we are just in a bearish flow of orders, but it's okay. It's okay. We need to look at what is there and how we can navigate the market in a more tougher period. So this is a level where most probably some liquidity will be found. As you can see here, this was also a major push up, which created this imbalance, and we would like to see this pattern happening here as well, where we would like go here, maybe tackle these lows and shift upwards, breaking this, creating an imbalance here, and trading off of that. But at the moment, we don't have to look at the bullish side of things, because at this moment it's all but looking bullish. So keep an eye on that. Don't burn your hands on this, please. Trade with the flow, I would say, and I'm doing that as well. We're trading with the flow, where we see the imbalances being created, and it just gets respected beautifully. It's great to see how order flow represents itself and how we can trade on it. And you can see here a clear stagnation, which is good to see, which could mean that Bitcoin is bottoming out. Now for the last 3 weeks, nothing much has happened. We tried to get quick shorts here, but didn't get the taps. Unfortunately, price broke this low, and now it's waiting game. It's waiting game. We want to see this being taken out, but well, it's just a matter of time, and we let price and information develop itself and trade on that. We could go into the daily, but to be fair, since last videos, nothing much has happened. We didn't create any imbalances. No, not even in this leg, which means that orders are more imbalanced than here, which could be a sign of a potential reversal. But again, we need to see confirmations. And when you look at the Bitcoin outflow of the day prior to yesterday, a lot of volume again. So it's tough. You can see here that's a lot of volume being taken out of the market, but again, a lot of inflow is still has still occurred. Almost 650,000 Bitcoin has been bought in the ETFs. So it's okay, even if we have like these types of days, it's still less than 1% of the total volume. So even though these numbers look great and a bit terrifying maybe, still nothing has happened, and we are still just waiting for the reversal and the bull market. In terms of news, slow weekend, nothing much has been happening. Just like the daily outflows we discussed yesterday as well. Yeah, just a lot of speculation, nothing much to zone in on. Again, future data and derivative data looks the same as yesterday, so nothing much to look at that. So that brings us to two things I want to share with you guys, which I'm looking at this moment. You can here see the Bitcoin net unrealized profit and loss, given as a fraction, where you can see that in the last couple of years, most participants have been in fairly profit, but you can see that with price shrinking, the ratio is also shrinking. So at this moment the ratio is 0.15, which means that given all the wallets that have bought Bitcoin, they are still slightly profitable, but yeah, it's not looking great. Last time we've seen negative numbers was in the last bull run, and you can see here that we also came from here pretty slow as well here, and after this we had a negative of, what was it, 0.23, minus 0.31. So we can have a bit more things, but after that prices is going up again maybe. So keep an eye on that. And when we look at the holding terms of the Bitcoin money markets, you see that the long-term hold supply is still very consistent and growing every day. Almost 16.7 million Bitcoin has been holding in long-term portfolios, which means they haven't been sold in multiple years, and it's going up and up and up and up. With here some profit taking, as you can see here as well in 2025, which may have caused the bearish flow of orders, but you see here that market participants are accumulating again and reaching all-time highs. So in terms of this fundamental, it just looks very great. So you ask, why are we still bearish if long-term holders are at all-time high? And I think we can notice it here in the short-term holder supply, where we have seen a great extensive drop, followed like immediately after the Bitcoin long-term holder drop. We can clearly see here that almost 2 million Bitcoin has been flown out of the Bitcoin short-term hold supply, which has been causing major implications for the price, as you can see. But you see here that this graph is also a lot more volatile. So chances are that if price will go up a bit, then these flow of holder supply will go up again. So really keep an eye on that. These are like the things that are good to look at. You can see here with glanse, it's amazing data-driven site where you can search up your fundamentals and really get that fundamental backbone in place. So yeah, I would highly recommend to do this. So thank you for listening to me, and I will see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.